high above our planet.
One mistake here, and space shows no mercy.
Astronauts carry out a historic spacewalk. Panel is green. Looks good from here.
Chloe, focus on your anchor points. By the book.
Copy that, Commander. It's just... wow.
The view will be there when we're done.
They're upgrading critical systems that keep the station alive.
Mark, don't move. Conserve your air.
Check. Green is green. Moving on. What is that?
Houston, do you copy?
Chloe, report. Are you okay? Check your suit pressure. Now.
Pressure is good! Oh God, Ryan, look!
Dead day, Mayday. We have catastrophic decompression. The station it's...
The station's gone. Ryan, what do we do now?
Whoa! Visor down! That's a big one. I can't stop. Anna, I can't stop.
How do I get him back?
Anna, please.
Mark, get ready to grab it.
Copy that. The procedure is complete.
This new array will connect humanity.
What was that? Control, do you copy? Eva, you're hit. You're hit. You have a leak.
I see it. Report to mission control.
They're gone. The radio is dead. We're completely cut off.
Protocol. Emergency patch kit. My left thigh pouch.
I can't get a grip. It's too small. No! Damn it! It won't stick!
Try again. That is the procedure.
There is no again. We don't have time. Your O2 is critical. How are we getting back to the airlock? This is it. A last resort.
That is not a propulsion unit. It's reckless.
It's pressure. It's thrust. It can get us from here to the airlock. I'll push you.
No, we're not.
Ah! Brace!
Stepping out into the vastness of space, every move is calculated and precise.
Debris field. We're in a debris field.
What was that?
Life support? Comms? Can you raise Houston?
We have lost communications.
Eris! Houston is gone! We're completely cut off!
We've lost contact. Completely.
How are we gonna get home?